Yeah, I definitely need some pull strings for those. Yeah, definitely.
Dang, it's blowing a good amount of air for what brand it is.
Yeah. I can feel it way over here. Yeah.
I know these fans were meant to last longer and blow more air because, see, this is a 90s Hampton Bay ceiling fan.
Oh, okay.
It was manufactured sometime in 98.
All right. Cool.
Yeah. Bearing noise it got, though.
Yeah, I think it's a little, we got a little noise to it.
Yeah, the bearings just needs to be oiled.
Oh, okay. Sweet. Your thing is really ceiling fans, huh?
Mm-hmm.
All right. Let's roll, baby.
All right. I'm almost done.
Oh, I'm sorry. It's still video.
That's all right.
You see it's got a little rock to it, too?